Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a reliable work laptop with solid performance and great portability, today's review is for you. We're checking out the Asus ExpertBook B1503CVA, powered by Intel's latest Core 5120U processor. There's a lot to like here, especially if you're a student or a professional on the go. First off, let's talk about the design. This laptop weighs around 1.65 kilograms, making it light enough for daily commutes, yet it still feels solid in hand. It has a clean professional look, very much in line with what you'd expect from the ExpertBook series. And Asus includes a backpack in the box, which is a nice bonus. This is running the new Intel Core 5120U, with up to 5 GHz boost clock. And it's paired with 8 GB of DDR5 RAM running at 4,800 MHz. That's fast memory, and you'll notice the benefit in multitasking and modern productivity tasks. Storage is handled by a 512 GB NVMe SSD, so boot times and file transfers are nice and snappy. The display is a 15.6-inch Full HD panel with a 16:9 aspect ratio and a matte, anti-glare finish, perfect for reducing reflections in bright environments. It's not a high-end panel, only covers 45% NTSC, so colors won't be super vibrant, but it gets the job done for work, browsing, and media. Brightness is rated at 300 nits, which is decent for indoor use. Port selection is solid, 2x USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A, 2x USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type C with power delivery and display support, HDMI 1.4, a 3.5mm audio jack, and a combo 720p/1080p webcam with a privacy shutter, a thoughtful touch. Backlit Chiclet keyboard with num key, 1.35mm key travel, spill-resistant keyboard. Fingerprint sensor integrated with touchpad. The battery is a 3-cell 50-watt-hour lithium-ion unit. Asus claims long life, and in real-world usage, think web browsing, office apps, and video calls, you can expect anywhere from 6 to 8 hours depending on your brightness and workload. For graphics, it has Intel UHD Graphics. And if you're using dual-channel memory, it can also tap into Intel Iris Xe graphics, a significant bump in performance for light content creation or casual gaming. Don't expect to play AAA games at high settings, but it can handle everyday visuals quite well.